Yo, what is going on, everybody? My name is Spider Money. Yes, I know. I know you guys have wanted this, so I'm here to deliver. Welcome to the updated 2018 how to use Teamspeak 3 client tutorial. You know, all for free. There's no price, there's no nothing. It's fairly simple. I'm gonna run through it with you right here. So what you want to go to do is you want to go to the website, which I will leave down in the description as a link. So you're going to go to Teamspeak, teamspeak.com/en/, and you're going to have two options here. One's My Teamspeak. Now you want to go ahead and do the free download. The My Teamspeak just means to, like it says at the bottom, to get your own server, but this video is mainly going to be focusing on downloading, just downloading Teamspeak and just the basics of doing Teamspeak. So don't think I'm going over like some other stuff like how to add people or what if this happens, blah 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 blah. This is just downloading it, and this is just starting off. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If this does help you, then show us by leaving a like rate down below. My last one did pretty well, actually. It's almost at 50,000 views now. The 2016. It was 2 years ago. A lot of stuff has probably changed. So we're gonna go ahead and hop right into this. So first, what you want to do is you want to go on free download, and it's going to show up some of this here. Now, depending on what type of device you're downloading this on, it will be decided on what you're going to do here. So I went for the 64-bit, so you're going to download that. I already have it downloaded, as you can see in my hotbar. But what you do is it's going to save up here. You click it, and it's going to say run, and then it will ask you for a setup wizard, and then you're going to go through that, and then it's not like choosing how to use Teamspeak. It's mostly just kind of like agreeing to certain terms, whatever. So that's that. And then once you do all of that, ladies and gentlemen, this will pop up. This is the Teamspeak 3 starting menu. This is where you start off as soon as you open up the application, pretty much. So what you're gonna do, I'm gonna try and go slow because I know I talk pretty fast. You're gonna want to go to tools. Alright, I'm gonna go pretty fast because a lot of people in my last one, they didn't understand. Like, a lot of them were like, where was this, where was that, why didn't you do this? And I actually did it. So I'm just gonna take this time to show you guys what to actually do. So you're gonna go to the tools tab here, and then you're gonna go down here to options, okay, and you're gonna have your application. Now this pretty much, it's gonna set you up. So this pretty much just means setting up your whole what you want Teamspeak to do. And so what you can do is you can choose your language, system default, which I'm gonna do English. Update channel, stable. Pretty much all this, what you want to do is what you want to do. So everything you see here, you might just want to go ahead and copy exactly everything I have here. We got the My Teamspeak. That's just an account. I currently don't have one, so that's just if you have one. I just got a notification on my phone. So here's a playback. So this is your so this is just to test the playback sound. So
testing your playback sound system.
See, so that is the person who's going to be talking
testing
to
your
you.
Playback sound.
Shut up. This is going to be the person talking to you whilst you're using this application. And then you want to go to capture. Now this is where you do the microphone stuff. So you got your capture mode, which automatically use best mode is the best one. Capture device, it's going to be the device you already have plugged in, which as you guys can see, I have my wired USB headset. And you can have an option to push to talk, where when you push a certain button, you can start to talk, or you can just do voice activation detection, and you can begin a microphone test. As you can see, I'm doing it right now. So we're going to stop the test, and that's how you get your microphone set up. Design, this pretty much just again, copy all this you want, but the thing that is the only thing that's going to be different is the style. So this is system default. Actually no, it's the theme, my bad, it's the theme. So this is how you choose different themes for the actual Teamspeak. I'm gonna stick with system default because I think it looks nice like this, but this is to change the actual theme of the application. And then icon pack, you can just choose any of these. I don't think it really matters, to be honest. I don't know what I changed, but alright. So these are the add-ons. Pretty much these are things that you could get from other things for Teamspeak. I've never messed with this, so don't come at me in the comments saying, oh, you can't do this. This is literally, some guy commented on my last one, this shows someone who doesn't know what he's doing, people. And I never mess with add-ons. I don't mess with add-ons. I just stick with what I just have. So you also got hotkeys right here. Hotkeys deciding, what, certain things can do. So I have control to set for toggle microphone. So what you would do, all right, so what you want to do is to set up a different hotkey, you want to click add, and then you're going to really, mess with what you want to do. So if I was going to start, I wouldn't really worry about all this, but if you want to, you would just, click one of these, and then it's going to tell you to pick the hotkey. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to click this right here, and then you can choose all that. And then, it'll say, you choose the hotkey, no hotkey assigned. So what you're going to do is you're going to do that. And then, you actually press the hotkey. So if I just put the mouse button, it'll set it to the mouse, but I'm not going to do that. So what I did for microphone, like I said, for my microphone to microphone mute, I did control. So controls like that. So whatever you want to mess with, you click what you want, the certain hotkey to do, and then you're going to click on no hotkey assigned, and then you're actually going to push the hotkey you want to assign to that. So I've already done that with control. Now whisper, now this is just, I guess I don't know anything about the whisper. So just copy these down and you should be good. Everything I have set up here is pretty much what you want to start off with to be really good. Download, this just, every time you download something on here where you want it to go. Chat, this just, number of lines, and then like the font and all this other stuff down here. You got security, which, helps secure the Teamspeak. And you got messaging right here, which is just, a certain messaging system that you can, change and edit yourself. And we also got notifications. So what you can actually do is, so actually what happens is the voice, there's going to be a voice that talks to you on Teamspeak, and you can actually change it through this. So you can do default text to speech or whatever. I decided to use the female, but you guys could use male, or you can use these other stuff. I'd prefer female, to be honest. Not reason why, it's just my choice. And then you're going to just do okay, and and then you're pretty much just set up for all that. Now once you're probably wondering, Spidey, how the heck do I actually talk to people? What you want to do is you want to go to connections. You're going to go to connect, and I actually have a list of server lists right here wherever you want to go. So here's certain pages of them. I will leave this link as well in the description so you guys can go check that out. Here's a bunch of servers going to a bunch of countries and whatever. You guys can decide which ones you want. But the one I mostly use is, since I'm a Minecraft YouTuber, I'm a Minecraft channel, I mostly just do mineplex.com, and that usually just works just like that. And then you'd connect. We're going to wait for it to connect. So as you guys can see, I did connect to a little channel here. This one I went on is europe.publicteamspeak.com. This is one I used to talk to my friends, because for some reason the mineplex.com is not working. I don't know if that means it's not working anymore or whatever. If you guys don't know, mineplex.com is the IP address for a server on Minecraft, well, called Mineplex. So yeah. And like I said, there's a bunch of these, servers that you can join. Okay, so here's the thing. So when you join these certain servers, what's gonna happen is it's gonna say requested security level. So mine's it's the request is 25, and it says 9. I have no clue how it gets that actual number. So what you want to do is you want to click start, and it will actually gradually increase your security level. It does take a bit. I tried doing this before off camera, but it did take a long time, but it finally worked. So, and then once you do that, you should just be able to join that. Alright, so once you got the server channel you want, once you got everything set up, I'm gonna go ahead and show you like how to connect to little different channels and how to message different people. So what you're gonna do is, as you can see right here, all these in blue are like free channels you can just join, and some of these other ones are just they have passwords on them. So like you have to type in a certain password. And to message people, to message them, you want to double click on their name, and you can send them a message like hi, how is life fam, and then a question mark, and then you send them that, and that's how you message people, and that's also how you join channels. So I'm going to try and switch to this real quick. So there you go. That's how you join a channel right there. You just right click, and then it's going to say you can switch that channel. You can also make your own channel. So I can click create channel. I can make it any name I want. So we're going to do Spidey. Password, we're gonna make it something. We won't make it a password. We'll say okay.
Channel created.
And there we go.
Microphone muted. Microphone activated.
There is my channel. Yep, there's my channel right there. And as you can see with the blue circle, I am currently talking.
Microphone
I'm gonna go ahead and mute my mic. And that is pretty much going to be the end. I am about to freaking flip with this beat.
You were
yes.
kicked from the channel.
I kicked myself. But that's pretty much going to be the end of this tutorial. If you guys did enjoy, go ahead and drop a like button down below. Also, subscribe to the channel if you are new. If you haven't already, also hit that bell to receive post notifications for when I upload, so you can be the first ones to like, comment, and share it. And I really hope this tutorial helped you guys. If it didn't, I'm really sorry, but I did my best, and I hope it did help you. And again, this is just a way to talk with your friends, because for games that don't have chat on them. And again, I hope this helped you. And as I always say in my videos, thank you so much for tuning into my video. I hope you guys have an amazing, fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!